pick you up, then bend you over. Jump out the car, watch you drop. I play the guitar, hit on the rock. I know you got some good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a pretty cool, easy Instagram makeup look because like I know some people, they want to look good for Instagram or for their Instagram pics, but they don't really know how to do much makeup. So I decided to really create this simple makeup look, a little bit of bronzer and highlighter and literally lashes, lip gloss, and that's it. Yeah, if you want to see how I created this Instagram look, then keep on watching. So first I start off with setting my eyelids after I'm done doing my eyebrows and priming my eyelids with concealer. Then I'm going to moisturize using my Pond's moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. And then I'm going to prime with my Pore Professional primer and put that in my T-zone areas. Then I'm using the Superstay Maybelline foundation and their Fit Me foundation also, and I'm gonna mix those two and that will be my foundation base. I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm just going to conceal where I usually conceal. I don't always cream contour, but when I do, I use a darker foundation, and I'm using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline.
Can't believe it. No one could have seen it coming.
Yeah, I thought President Obama fixed all that.
I know. So I went to the campus psychiatrist and I told him that I'd kill myself if I could not have a support animal.
What?
Let me get one.
Well, you're the real hero, Kelsey.
Ow.
Then I'm going to set where I put my concealer, and I'm going to also set my contour. After setting my face with my Mario Bedeque spray, I like to highlight right after because it just makes my highlight pop-in even more. I know I'm not naming every product that I'm using, so I'll link everything down below in the description bar. By the way guys, you guys don't have to use everything that I'm using. You can use the makeup that you're comfortable with, anything that is in your price range. You don't have to mix high-end with drugstore as how you see me doing. And I'm going to put on these lashes from Kiss. They are fabulous and they're hella cheap. Yes, I know someone is gonna point this out. Yes, I do have glue on my eyelids. I wanted to fix it, but honestly I didn't because I was like, I'm gonna take this makeup right after. But just don't make that mistake. Don't get glue on your eyelids. But in real life I would have actually taken it off, but this was just a video, so I was like, fuck it. Now to put color back on my eyelids, I use bronzer and just like put that in my crease just to give it a little color. Now I'm going to line my lips using a brown lip liner, and I'm going to put on lip gloss. Wow. I'm going to put on lip gloss, and that will be the end of my makeup look. No bitch, I'm lying. I'm going to put on this shade underneath my eyes also, and a darker shade just to give my eyes a little bit more color also. Oh my gosh, I thought my video was done. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Okay, I'm dragging it. Now I'm going to bake my jawlines. Like, I really thought my video was done. Okay, so after this, now I'm done. So that was the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, then comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe and hit that bell. You'll get notifications when I upload. So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah, those are the 2 apps I really use, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.